guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika from Kanak Jaipur, and today I am here again sharing another DIY video tutorial on how you can make your own journal page. So this is how my journal page looks like. Here you can see some sneak peeks. So I hope you're liking it. So let's get started with the tutorial. Oh wait, before starting the tutorial I want to tell you that did you participate in Diwali special giveaway? You can get a chance to win products worth 1700 rupees. So the link is mentioned in the description box, so do participate. This is how my journal book looks like. I have already done some stamping and it has handmade sheets inside it. So to start with, I am using this Expressions Craft round mandala design stencil. The stencil choice is as per you. It's not important to use this only. Also, I will be using the Distress Oxide Peacock Feathers. As my sponge topper is highly pigmented, so I'm not applying a lot of pressure, and I want to create an effect where somewhere it has a dark effect and somewhere light. So here you can see how it is looking. Similarly, I'll cover my page with the same stenciling technique. See how beautiful the stenciling is coming out to be. I am applying very less pressure on my ink blending tool, and I am just making sure that the white area gets covered with the ink. You can see how I am using the same color Distress Oxide with different ways to create an effect. Next, I am taking up this Prima Marketing Clear stamp. It has honeycomb design in it, and I will be using black archival ink, and I will just stamp it randomly and cover the background. Make sure you don't overdo it. I am just using the black archival ink now, and then after I will also be using Distress Oxide in the color Wilted Violet, and similarly I'll cover the background. If sure you're enjoying the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm taking up this pattern paper and I will be distressing the edges using the color Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide. This is Hadrinja Lawn's paper pack from Just My Craft, and I have also used the banner punch from DMC only. I am using this filler stamp and have added Wilted Violet to it, and I will just be covering the sides, or you can say the edges, using the same. This is the leftover piece which I have, and I will be using it. This is the November stamp, and I am using the archival ink black. As this is my new journal, so I just wanted to start with the new month and the first date of the month. So apart from stamping November, I will also be stamping the number 1. My ink blending tool is already loaded with the ink Wilted Violet, so I'm not picking up more ink and I'm just distressing it. And now I'm stamping Make a Wish stamp, and I have taken another tag like I have just punched with the banner punch from Just My Craft. I'm taking up this wooden chippy which says happiness, and I will be using my embossing ink, that is this Versamark ink, and I will emboss it. I'm taking up this embossing powder in the color white, and I'll just be spreading it evenly on my wooden chipboard. forceps, I'm just picking it up very gently and just dragging off the extra embossing powder, and I will just emboss it using my heat tool. Using the red tacky tape, I have covered the 3 sides of the tag on this too, and on this I use the 3D foam tape to make it give more dimension. This is how it looks after it has been embossed. So I'm just taking off the tacky tape and I'll just place this over. I'm not applying pressure and sticking it, as now I'm just layering it and seeing what looks perfectly, and now I know where I have to fix this, so I'm just pressing it and I will layer the November 1 tag onto it. I'm just placing all the things onto my journal page and see what looks good, and this is the doily cut which I have made, and I'll just place this beneath my tag, and I'll just plan to place this happiness thing onto lower portion. Now I'm using this butterfly punch in the size small, and I will also be using the butterfly punch of the size medium. I've already punched some butterflies to make our work simple, and I'll just stick everything now. So you can see I have applied adhesive onto all the things, so I'm just now placing everything and sticking them. Also, if you want to win some amazing craft goodies, craft discounts or cash vouchers, then don't forget to participate in our crafters giveaway, which is happening on our Instagram, and the link is mentioned in the description box below, and you get a chance to win amazing goodies. Now I'm almost done completing my page, so I hope you are enjoying this. Then don't forget to hit the like button and also turn on the bell notifications if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you are recreating any of my DIY videos, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag DIY Kanak. Also, if you are enjoying, then do comment down below and let me know. And tada! We are done completing our journal page. So this is how it looks. The colors are not looking like, I can see the video is not giving a justice to the page. So just check out the pictures which I have attached to the video. You can see these pictures, and the exact color combination is this. So see you all till the next time with another DIY tutorial. So happy crafting, everyone.